In traditional condition monitoring, you can set RPM monitoring thresholds for a standard machine operation. But when these machines' RPM is variable, those standard conditions are constantly changing, and the set thresholds can't keep up. In order to solve this, we had to completely rethink traditional monitoring. The RPM encoder algorithm allows you to understand the actual rotation of machines in real time, based only on vibration data, without needing to manually enter this information or being at the mercy of operational setting changes. This made our analysis models way more reliable and accurate. But we know every machine operates in a different way, which is not a problem for the RPM encoder, since we can monitor down to 1 RPM. For industries with critical low speed or variable RPM assets, crucial to their processes, having data at this level is a game changer for the whole operation.